Let's not be doing that. If you need to enroll the children in another school, maybe you really urgently need to relocate, you've got no housing, I don't know what it is, you should at the very minimum at least be contacting the other parent, putting them on notice, giving them the opportunity to respond, trying to arrange a mediation before you do that. It's a really poor look to unilaterally change the children's schools without at least consulting the other parent or trying to resolve the dispute. Unilateral decisions about parenting generally can look very poorly or badly if we need to go to court in your matter. After you separate, all of the money, whether it's in a joint account, whether it's in your own bank accounts, in your own names, are considered joint assets. So going off on a really luxurious holiday, or getting a nose job, or gambling a whole heap of money can really come back to bite you in a property settlement. So I'm not saying don't live your life. You can pay your bills, buy reasonable things, but really lavish spending after separation from the asset pool is a nightmare. No, don't be doing that. Posting on social media about your ex, about your parenting dispute, about your property settlement is an absolute no-no. It looks terrible. It's immature. It is not best for your children. Once it's on the internet, it's forever. Just don't do it. Do you want an aggressive lawyer, or do you want a lawyer who's a good negotiator and will find a resolution that's fair to you and your family? I think good lawyers are good litigators. You always think of, like TV shows. Whenever you imagine a good lawyer, you always kind of imagine someone standing in a courtroom, standing up talking, that they walk all over the opponent. But I think amazing lawyers are lawyers who can keep matters outside of court and who can resolve matters before we get to that point, because something's gone wrong for us to be in a courtroom. Sometimes it can't be avoided if you are negotiating with someone who just will not negotiate or will not see reason, or there's risk. Sometimes we have to end up in court. But ultimately, excellent lawyers can resolve your disputes and find resolutions quickly and without escalating matters. You don't want a lawyer who is going to pour fuel on your fire. Family law matters are already emotional enough. You need a lawyer who will be honest with you, give you realistic advice about whether what you are seeking is actually achievable or not, so that you can have realistic expectations. And so you don't just have a yes man. You don't want a lawyer who's a yes man. You want a lawyer who will tell you it straight, tell you how it is, and be an excellent negotiator and try to resolve your matter quickly. Because lawyers who are epic litigators make money off you, right? The longer the matter doesn't resolve, the more money they make. So do you really want that bulldog aggressive lawyer who's amazing in court? They demolish people in the courtroom. Do you want that lawyer, or do you want someone who is good in the courtroom but who is also an excellent dispute resolution lawyer?